I don't have any slides. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Fernanda Leite. I'm the Interim Vice President for Research at the University of Texas at Austin. I'm also a professor in civil engineering at UT Austin. I'm a construction engineer by training, and most of my research is on AI-enabled capital projects delivery. So I do very big buildings, infrastructure systems, designing resilient infrastructure systems to protect communities. So it's really a pleasure here to be part of this event and open this event for you all. Like many of you, I've navigated a path from fundamental research to real-world application as well in my own career as a researcher at the university. And one impactful experience in my career that I've had is having participated in the NSF I-Corps program here at the University of Texas many years ago with one of my former students who's now at a startup company. And that was quite an eye-opening experience going through customer discovery with that student. So we were doing research on scan to BIM, on automating the generation of 3D models of the built environment using different sensing technologies, and that was quite an experience. So I very much understand how critical it is to work on that translation from fundamental research beyond the lab to really bring it into practice. And that really gave me a deeper appreciation of programs like the Texas Health Catalyst that help bridge exactly that gap. And during my time as Associate Dean for Research in the Cockrell School of Engineering, I saw the power of cross-campus collaboration. And we built major research initiatives, including semiconductors, launching the Texas Institute for Electronics, and they received the largest, single most grant in the history of the University of Texas system, which was a major award from DARPA. We launched major initiatives in robotics, in quantum science, and AI as well. So all of this requires a lot of cross-disciplinary initiatives. And all these efforts also highlighted what is fundamental at UT. So when we break down silos, that's when we can dramatically expand what we can accomplish in the university and beyond. And today I'm really excited about the future of research at Texas. So at UT Austin, our momentum has never been stronger. So we've doubled our research expenditures in just the last decade. And this is an extraordinary milestone for the university, where just this year we were crunching the numbers, and we're at $1.38 billion in research expenditures in the last fiscal year, and we're likely going to reach 1.45 next year in research expenditures. So that's quite extraordinary, and that's one of the things that my office works towards, is that machine behind all of the research that happens in the university. And we now are leaders nationally in areas such as artificial intelligence and semiconductors, energy and material science. And we're increasingly leaders and continue to invest in the area of life sciences, where the possibilities of what we can accomplish are just immense. So our future is bright, and because of our strengths and how our strengths align with the federal priorities that are most urgent, we're really doubling down also on secure research infrastructure. So that's one of my main priority areas in the OVPR is building out secure research infrastructure to allow our faculty to perform research that is classified, that is controlled, and so we can continue building on defense-related research. We're also investing in state-of-the-art core facilities on campus. We just concluded an equipment recapitalization set of proposals to put money back into our core facilities. We have over 80 core facilities on campus that faculty leverage for different pieces of equipment and tools. And we're also cultivating a venture-oriented mindset across campus, empowering teams to identify strategic opportunities and turn innovative ideas into tangible, impactful outcomes. And so this is where Texas Health Catalyst plays a vital role. So we foster exactly the type of cross-campus innovation that accelerates translation. Texas Health Catalyst connects researchers across fields with clinicians, entrepreneurs, alumni, industry experts, and investors who can help transform early ideas into solutions that improve health and quality of life. And it draws on the deep expertise both inside and beyond the university to support real-world impact. I'm especially thrilled that this year's call focuses on robotics, automation, and autonomous care. And UT is definitely a major leader in robotics through Texas Robotics, and I see the director of Texas Robotics, Jose Milan, sitting right here at the front. And so this really uniquely positions us to shape the future of healthcare delivery. From assistive systems to autonomous monitoring, precision intervention, the opportunities are vast, and UT is well prepared to lead. And just as important, programs like Texas Health Catalyst help ensure that innovation is a team sport. Transformative health solutions rarely emerge from a single discipline. They thrive when engineering meets medicine, when design meets behavioral science, and when social work and public policy help shape implementation. And when law helps navigate ethical and regulatory pathways. And I want to emphasize how excited I am to see the participation from researchers across all these areas, and I see many familiar faces here in the room, because that's what interdisciplinary research is about, and that's how we really drive impact to scale. So thank you for joining us today, and thank you for the work you do to advance health innovation at UT Austin. Please enjoy the Roundup and Rodeo, and most importantly, take advantage of the connections that you'll make here today. This gathering is an invitation to spark new collaborations, build new partnerships, and imagine the next generation of solutions that will improve lives across Texas and beyond. Thank you so much for having me today.